Today we're going to take a look at the 394 photo movie kit from Manfrotto, and here it is. It comes in this great bag right here, which you can actually use to carry your tripod kit. And let's go ahead and first take a look at the tripod itself, and then we'll take a look at the head. So the tripod itself is aluminum. It's got these quick flip legs. It's got 3 stages. All we have to do is just open them all up at the same time, and then we can extend all of those stages at once, lock them down. Okay, and we can release them and bring them back in. As far as height goes, when this thing is fully collapsed, it's about 18 inches in height. And then if I've got all of the stages extended on this, it's about 50 inches. And then we also open up this and raise the center column here, and it'll be about 56 inches high. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that back down and talk to you about some of the other features of the tripod. We've got 2 different settings that we can have on the legs. I have the standard setting, which we were looking at before, and then I can take each one of these legs and I can flip them over to this other setting, and it will actually open up the legs so that they are wider. And then we can get really, really low shots at about 14 inches off the ground. So really great flexibility here for different types of shots, whether you're shooting stills or you're shooting video. And then we're going to talk a little bit about this head here, which is a unique head, which is designed for both still shooting and also for video shooting. So down here at the bottom, you can see here, if I turn this knob, we can loosen up the pan head. Okay, so you can see that. And then I also can loosen this by turning this handle, and now I can actually adjust both the pan and the tilt with this one handle to operate. And then up here we have one more adjustment. So if we want to shoot stills in a portrait mode, we can do that. Or I can just bring that back here to a landscape mode. In order to attach a camera, really, really easy. All I have to do is release the quick release plate here, and that just comes right out. Again, we've got a little handle here. Just hold that back, drop that in, and then we can lock it down so it won't go anywhere. And I'm going to show you how we can attach this to our camera system. So over here, whether I'm using a point and shoot on the bottom of the camera, or a DSLR, or a video camcorder, they all take a standard mount, which is a 1/4-20 mount, and that's what we have here on the bottom of the plate. And then this particular system here, we don't even need a coin to attach it to the camera. Now, one thing I should note is you might see this little pin here. That's designed for certain video cameras that have a little pinhole for more stability for those types of cameras. We can just pop that right out if we're going to use a standard camera, and then we'll flip this camera over, and then on the bottom of the plate it'll have an arrow that points towards where the lens is supposed to go, and all I have to do is turn this, tighten it down. I'm going to go ahead and place the camera in, make sure that it's in place, and then we tighten that down and it locks it into place. And then once we've done that, we can loosen the pan, we can loosen the tilt. Now this is the way we would shoot if we were shooting with a DSLR camera or a still camera in landscape mode, or if we were shooting with the video camera. We want a nice fluid motion here for our pans and for our tilts. So a video camcorder, a DSLR with HD video capabilities, a point and shoot that has high definition video. And then if we were using just a still camera and we wanted to have the ability to shoot in a portrait mode, we could go ahead and take that third adjustment and we could turn that, and then we can go ahead and shoot in that mode. And then we can make our adjustments to the tilt here. You can see that that's that third adjustment right here. Payload capacity on this, about 3.7 pounds to 7.7 pounds. So we can put pretty heavy duty DSLR cameras with longer lenses on here, nice sized video camcorders. And so there you have it. That's the 394 photo movie kit from Manfrotto.